Global cosmetics retailer Lush is probably best known for its invention of the bath bomb. Last year, Lush sold a whopping total of more than 40 million bath bombs. There's even a World Bath Bomb Day in April. Who knew? But Lush's contribution to our planet extends well beyond luxurious bath experiences. Lush invents, manufactures, and sells fresh handmade cosmetics and spa services with zero animal testing and minimal packaging to better protect the environment. The billion-dollar company, with more than 800 shops worldwide, also prides itself on delivering a personal touch in customer service. That's where Zendesk comes in. Lush chose Zendesk for customer service because the company needed a CX platform that could provide the insights they needed to deliver that personalization and do it more efficiently. To do this, Zendesk is helping Lush monitor and analyze customer sentiment around the globe. This has allowed Lush to more quickly respond to simple consumer questions, freeing up customer care agents to provide personalized service for more complex issues. The impact? Cost savings and improvement in CSAT. Here are the numbers: 50% more productivity, an 82% one-touch resolution rate. And according to Nucleus Research, Lush realized annual cost savings of more than $439,000 and saw 369% ROI on its Zendesk investment in less than 1 year. The Lush team accomplished all that while maintaining a 92% CSAT score, well above the 73% average of other retailers. It seems that Lush's data-driven, personal approach to customer care is working beautifully.